We will see types of arithmetic instructions in 8051 microcontroller part 3. This is from chapter number 2, instruction set of 8051 and addressing modes. Myself, Dr. Kurne Faiz Ahmed, Head, Department of Electronic Science, Abida Inamdar Senior College, Pune. We'll see today types of subtraction instructions in 8051 microcontroller. In that first syntax is subba comma hash data. So this instruction subtracts the data from content of A and stores result in A itself. So content of A minus data, and the answer is stored in A itself. After this subtraction, carry flag, overflow flags are affected. If you see the example here, now let A equal to 79H and the instruction is given, say subba A comma hash 3FH. So this will subtract 3F data, 3F hex from the content of A. So let's see what will be in A after the subtraction. Now in A the data is 79H, so its value in binary is 0, 1, 1, 1, that is 7, 1, 0, 0, 1, that is 9, and the data to be subtracted is 3F. So here we have 3F. So 1 minus 1, the answer is 0 here. 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. From that minus 1, so here difference is 0, borrow is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. Again here 1 minus 1, 0, difference 1, so difference 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and no difference, 0 minus 0, 0. Now in this case we got the answer equal to 3 and this is equal to A. So answer in A will be 3A hex. Now if you see, there is a borrow going from column D3 to D4. This is the borrow going. So here as it is not addition, so no effect on AC, but the answer is not overflowing, so this remains 0. And here no carry in the column D7, no carry here, so CF will be 0. This is what the instruction works, subba A comma hash data. Now second instruction is subba A comma Rn. So this will subtract the content of register Rn from the content of A and the answer is stored in A itself. So let A equal to 80H and R2 equal to 7EH. So we have given instruction here subba A comma R2, that means content of R2 must subtract from content of A and store answer in A itself. So it will be 80H minus content of R2 is 7EH and we'll do the subtraction. So here you can see in the next slide. So here it will be, here we have 80H in A, 7E in R2. So 0 minus 0, 0 here. 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. 0 minus 1, difference 1, borrow 1. From that this minus 1, so 0, borrow 1. Here again 0 minus 1, that is difference 1, borrow 1. From this minus 1, so 0, borrow 1, 0, borrow 1, 0, borrow 1, 0, borrow 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and no borrow. So here the answer will be here. In A it will be 0, 2h, because this is equal to 0h, this is equal to 2h, so answer is 0, 2h. This is what? So meaning of this will subtract the content of register minus A and store answer in A itself. So here we can have Rn can be either R0, R1 or R2 or R3 up to R7. So here we have these many options. But in each case the answer is always stored in A itself. Third syntax is subba comma @rn. Meaning of this, it subtracts the content of memory location whose address is pointed by Rn from the content of A and store result in A itself. So subtract the content of location pointed by Rn. So go to that location, that data subtracted from A, and the answer is stored in A itself. So here let A equal to 80h and R2 here R0 equal to, here we cannot use other than, okay, R2 is also allowed, no problem. So here in this case it will subtract the content of location 30h. So 80 minus data pointed by 30 and the answer is stored in A itself. Fourth syntax is, in this case here in instruction itself the memory address is given. So content of location pointed by address minus content of A and store the result in A itself. So here if we write subba comma 30h, so go at address 30h, that data is subtracted from content of A and the answer is stored in A itself. So remember here that if you write instruction subba comma hash 30, these are not same. Here it is pointing an address, here this is the data. So do not get confused between hash and without hash, even though both are looking 30h, 30h. So in short we can summarize that in subtraction types we have subba comma hash data or A comma Rn or A comma @rn or A comma address. So in this case data is subtracted, in this case content of Rn is subtracted, in this case content of location pointed by Rn, and here the content of location given by this address, that data A minus and store answer in A itself. So these are 4 basic instructions used for subtraction in 8051 microcontroller. So if any doubts in this topic, please contact me on the given mail, that is faizahmadkurne@gmail.com.